here on the sunny coast at Kawana with your brother, little Serge, and we're going to make some Mexican style stuffed peppers, and Serge is going to show me how exactly we're going to do that, and I'm looking forward to his traditional recipe that he does for his family and kids, and I can't wait to get my lips around some of these later. So Serge is going to show me exactly what we're putting in these peppers today.
Well, they're going to be super delicious, Mark. We're going to have some pork, we've got garlic and tomato paste, some rice will go in there. We've got corn and red kidney beans, onion and bacon. It'll all be cooked up in a pot with some secret herbs and spices. And then we're going to bake the deliciousness in the oven for an hour and a half. And when we pull it out, you will be drooling.
So good. Can't wait. We'll get into some work. We'll be back soon. Mince, in it goes. Alright, we're going to add in a tablespoon of smoked paprika, tablespoon of fennel seed. Make sure you got that tablespoon full, like me fennel. Now secret mix, the old El Paso taco spice mix. Yeehaw! Good Mexican flavours in these satchels. 1 can of red kidney beans in, that been drained. Half a can of corn kernels. Half a jar of tomato paste, in it goes. One and a half cups of stock, whatever's in your fridge, works well. Today we've got vegetable. Alright, we've got it to a simmer. Add our rice. About a cup. Mix that through. Right, so our rice is in. We're going to cook that for about 9 minutes. Then we'll get it off. I'm going to touch of pepper. Give it a bit of a kicker. And we're going to fill the peppers up with our good spicy Mexican mince meat mix.
This is the fun part.
But we're not going to fill them completely, are we, Serge?
No, we're not. We're actually going to half fill them, and you press down into the capsicum so that the meat goes all the way to the bottom and all the way into the nooks and crannies. So we half fill the capsicum, as you could probably see here. And then what we're going to do is we're going to put a pinch of tasty cheese in the middle of the capsicum and press that down, press it into the pepper. And then we're going to fill it to the top.
That'll be...
Right, at this stage the peppers are full, and we're going to wrap them up nice and tight. And they're going into the oven for an hour and 20 minutes at 180 degrees.
Now we've got cheese on top, going back in for another 25 minutes at 220 degrees. We're going to char grill them up. They'll be delish. Let's get them in. Oh, look at the colour. Oh, so plumpy and juicy. Oh, final product. Here we go.
Here we are.
Amazing looking peppers. Trying to wedge one out. Look at that.
Check them out.
And what do we got, Serge? A bit of sour.
We've got a little bit of yogurt, Greek yogurt on top.
Wow.
Yep, this is going to be amazing.
And that's it. So good. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe for more recipes and juiciness. See ya.